Hi everyone, welcome back to the Geterbrewed channel. So today we're going to look at milling. We have got some incredible quality mills, a 2-roller mill and a 3-roller mill. Now they come with a base plate, which means that you simply bolt the grinder part of the mill onto the bottom of the base plate, and then this can sit in a bucket. And you can either operate the mill with the handle manually, or you can adapt it and attach a drill so that you can add a little bit of speed to the process. So look, milling's really important that you get the correct grist. Not everyone's going to have a grist box to do a grist analysis at home, but all that really means is what you're doing is you're crushing it correctly, so you're getting a good extract and a good runoff, and you're getting maximum efficiency from the malt that you're crushing at home. Now there is adjustable settings, and you can see that on the side of the mills here on both the 2-roller and the 3-roller. The 2-roller and the 3-roller, so it gives you the opportunity to adjust the crush size. Obviously you're going to need to adjust it more for adjuncts like rye and wheat in comparison to barley, but we're going to take you very quickly through how to assemble them so that you can buy yourself a mill and get it put together in no time at home. Double roller is going to be the top where the grain enters. So what we're going to do is we're going to flip this over and then line up the bolts on the tray. You can see we've got a nice little washer and then Allen key fitting to pop that into place. So what we've got really simply is, like, the blue plastic comes off and leaves like a stainless steel finish. These two parts here, if you can check, like obviously these come out. You can see the holes there and there. That comes out. See the layout of the flat piece there, that the alignment of the holes there clearly lines up with the holes of this part. Obviously this is going to pop on this side and this is going to go internally here. So these little bolts put that all together. So what we'll do is we'll try and assemble as much of this now as we can. With this, when you're doing it, a little tip, keep everything loose until you get to the end. It's much easier to tighten it all up in one go as opposed to tightening every single screw as you go. So started by putting our side on and then putting this part on and then bolting on here, and again then putting the little inners to ensure it flows down. You can see that we've got the bolts holding it in place here and the bolts holding it in place here. What we're going to do now is tighten everything up really tight and then pop the little rubber seal on the top to protect the sharp edges. As I said at the start, if you're making this up at home, it is a stainless steel sort of finish on this, so what you want to do is take the plastic covering off, or you can leave the blue plastic on. It's entirely your choice. So the idea of doing this video is you'll get those components. We're getting a few emails and questions. You know, why go to the hassle of crushing your own malt? So I just use the analogy, you know, we all like coffee here and we like crushing our own coffee beans because of the freshness that brings and the quality that you see in the finished brew. If you're crushing your own malt at home, you will see, you know, it's going to be that little bit fresher. Because we turn such a huge volume of malt here and we crush everything fresh to order, what we tend to find is that, you know, we're multiple containers now coming in every week and the malt's going out, so it is the freshest that there is in the industry. If it's crushed here, you know it's fresh and it's good for up to 12 months, but if you wanted to buy whole grain and crush it yourself at home, then you're adding to that freshness. This gives you the ability to do that. It's also got stainless steel rollers, it's got good quality bearings, it's well made, it's strong, it's robust, so it's built to last. So Once I pop this rubber on, I'm going to tighten up all the seals here, and it'll make for a very good mill that will last a very, very long time. And you can see with the roller, we can adjust that to put a drill on, or indeed we can put the handle on and then you're manually crushing it. Great piece of kit, great value on the Geterbrewed website right now, and there's heaps of stock of them because we just took a container load in, so check them out online. Hope you find it helpful. Thanks so much for watching. Until next time, happy brewing.